Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course on this part 79. Depend country, state, drop down, city, insert database in Laravel 11. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is a real state underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is available list of table is available. This 22 table is available, and this my project is available. This is a gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, inside this is a project. This project directory, this is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. Let this project directory inside this command prompt open successfully. This directory inside this cmd open PSP artisan server and enter successfully. This is a working fine. This is a copy and this paste here. This my browser in here. Browser is a paste here. Successfully working good. Let's slash admin login. And this password is admin@gmail.com. Password is 123456789, and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Let's click this city. Inside this is the implementation. This is the add. Click this add. Open this file. This file is open. This file is available. Resource view admin city and add. This file is successfully working fine. This is the same URL is available. Copy and inside this is a paste here same URL. This is a token. Let's first of all, this is a country ID is a implementation. This is a country ID. And this is a table is available. This table name is inside this is available country. This is a country. Inside this is a state. This state is available. This table, this is a state ID. Inside this is a country. Same here. Let's same. This is a name is a implement. This is a name is a country name. Let's country ID is a set. Country ID is a set. This ID is successfully set. This is a state ID. And last is a city name. This is successfully city name. Successfully set. Let's say here copy this, and this method is a post method is available. Route inside this web.php open. Inside this function is a implementation. Same here, route post method, route post, and this paste here, and this location controller same here, copy and paste here class, and this name is a city add insert and save file. Let's copy this name and this location controller open. Copy this name. Location controller is available. This is a controller inside. App HTTP controller, and this is a location controller. Inside this is a implementation. This city. Public function paste here, and this is a request $request, and this dd $request same here all, and this save file. Let's refresh this page, check this previous video, this save this. Inside let's select this is a country. This is a two countries available. This is a country. This is two countries available. Inside this is a two countries show. Let's click this Pakistan. Inside this is a open. This is a state. This 3 number ID is available. This is a state. 3 number inside is 2 is a state is available. Let's select this is a 2 is a available. Good working. And this is a inside this extra. Inside this only single name is available. This is Leo. this is a successfully available. Good. Parking stan inside this is a 2. Let's this Bihar is select. City name is a Biza and submit. And successfully available this country ID, state ID and city name. Let's new table is a create. This table name is a city name is a new table is a create. Click this new and this table name is a city table name. First of all, this is a first is a country ID. Let's ID, country ID, state ID and city name. This is a city name is a set, and this two field is a extra implement. This is a created and updated date, created and update. Successfully all field is a implement inside. This is a varchar and this is date and time. Null, all null is a select null and null. And this 11 select, and this 11 255 and this is a null. City table name, and this is a primary key auto increment index inside this. So AL means short name is a AL means auto increment. This click this select, and last is a save. Successfully is a save. Good working. This is a table is a created. Inside this is ID is a set, this country state, and this is a name is a implementation. This is a model is a create city model. Inside this new create new city model dot PSP, and this name is a capital, C means capital, city model PSP. Successfully create. Good. And this is the same here, any model copy and paste here inside this paste here. And this is only name sense city, and this name is a table name is available. This is a city. Successfully model is a create. This is same name is city name inside the city name, and this is a table name. This is a table name is available. Good. Let's copy and inside this include. This is a include use app model and paste here. And this copy and inside this paste here. Comment and $save is equal to new, and this paste here. $save is equal to same here, copy, paste. Three part is a paste. First of all, this is a state name is a copy and paste here. Second is a first country, second state, and third is a city. Good working. Let's stream $request, same here request, and this is a close, and this is equal to request, only request, not a trim use. This is a close, and this name is a open. This first of all, this is country, paste here country, second is a state is a show, and last is a city name, same here. Let's $save, new variable already create, save and save. Return redirect. This is a return redirect. This space small, let's not use small, and back button. Click this admin city is available. This click this back. This inside this is automatically redirect is a implementation. This is a admin city, same here, copy and paste, return back with success message. This success include this success message, same here, copy this success message and paste here. Good working. This city add success full, and last is a save file. Good working. Successful is good working. Let's not false. Please writing this only simple. When this is a message file is available, this message file, this is admin inside this message file, and this open this list file. This file is open inside this message is included. this message file is included inside this. Let's insert this is of 999 and save file and refresh this page. Automatically inside this 99 is a show. Good working. This is included this message file. Let's close this and refresh this page, and this table is available blank table. This is a blank table. Please check this previous one video only. Let's click this add city, and this is a Pakistan. Pakistan is a select, otherwise this is a any select the Pakistan. Inside this is not available data. This is a Pakistan is select, and this is a Lahore here and Bihar. Let's this select, and this name is a Pizza, and submit. Successfully record is a show and city added successfully. This message is a show city added successfully, and this inside show. Let's refresh this page. Good working. This is a Pakistan, and this is a state is a 1 3 and 1 ID is a imported. Good working. Let's insert this again. This is a Pakistan not implemented. This is a Australia is a select, and this is a first table is available. Wait, this is a load data. This is a successful load, and this oiko, this is a city name. Submit. Good working. This is a record is a successfully inserted. This is a fine. This ID change, and this is the state name is a send successfully. This 3 and 1 is available. This 3 is a Pakistan is a selected. Let's selected in this country. 3 number is available Pakistan. This is a good this Pakistan, and 4 number is a this number. The city open this city, and both this 4 number is a this number 4, and 1 and 5 is available. Let's state inside the select state 1 and 5. This 1 and 5. This is a Bihar is a not a implementation. Good working. Any doubt? So please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is always available anytime. Contact 24/7 day. And this is my new project development, so please contact. And this is a list of project available, and this is a live review is available. Please check this in a very low price buy. And this YouTube channel link is inside this is already available. This YouTube link send inside this, click to automatically redirect. Please subscribe and click the bell icon inside. This is a follow this all link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. This is a all link is available Facebook, Instagram and GitHub and social website. Thank you.